Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 12 of Surah Al-A'raf and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال ما منعك ألا تسجد إذ أمرتك Qaf is heavy for fatha upon your jaws, and because of Qaf, this alif is heavy too. Lam is short. Qa, 2 counts long. La, short. Ma, 2 counts long. Ma, light and short. Na, I'm from your throat nicely, and all three are light, short. Ma, na, the length of all these three should be same. Ka, same. All four should be same. Mana'aka alla. Hamza is sharp, attached with lam. Lam will get sifah of tawasud. La, 2 counts long. Tas, ta is sharp, no flow of sound or breath. For fatha upon jaws, attached with sin. Sin will get sifah of rakhawa. It has safir and it is light. Tas, ju, jim should not have that ch sound. It's ju, ju. No flow of breath here or sound. Ju. Da is very sharp. As jim is sharp, dal is sharp too. Ju, da, id. For kasra, give e sound attached to dal. Dal should get that zabdaba sound that is from rakhawa. The sound should flow. Id. Hamza is sharp for fatha upon jaws. Maru. Mim is light, but ra is heavy because of this fatha. Maru. Tuk. Ta is sharp for dhamma circular lips. As you will touch kaf, your lips should be in a straight position. Kaf will get sifa of hums, and hums is flow of breath. Qaf is heavy for fatha upon jaws because of this qaf. This alif is heavy too and make it 2 counts long. La for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. A for fatha upon your jaws, hamza is sharp. Na, this zero is sifre mustaqil. Sifre mustatil. Mustatil, can you see this is longitudinal? So that is called, this is sifr. Sifr in Arabic, sifr is 0, and this 0 is mustatil. This is long. So the hukum of this long 0 is when you are reciting in wasl, you are not stopping here, you are not giving waqf, you are dropping it. If you are continuing your recitation, you will drop this alif because of the 0. And if you are going to waqf, you will establish this alif. You will say this alif. If I'll give waqf here, look how I can do that. If I'm going to waqf here, I will stop my recitation here. I will say, qala ana. This is ana when I will give up. And if I continue my recitation, it will be قال أنا خير منه خلقتني من خلقتني من نار وخلقته من طين. So if I will continue my recitation, I will drop this alif. Okay. So here I am dropping it because I am continuing my recitation. Hamza is sharp. Na, short. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Khoi is heavy, and it is munfatiha. Khoi and yailin, so make it soft when you are attaching fatha with ya. Khoi ra will be heavy. For dhamma circular lips, as you will touch mim, your lips should be in a straight position. Min, for kasra, give e sound attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Hu, for dhamma circular lips, the sound is short. Kha is heavy for fatha upon jaws. Laqa, lam is light, but qaf is heavy. Qaf will get sifa of qalqala and make it heavy too. Laqa, ta is very sharp sound for fatha upon jaws. Sharp means there is no flow of sound. Ta, Ni, two counts long. Nin, for kasra give E sound attached. Noon will get sip of kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na, two counts long. Riu, ra is light because of kasra, and it will get E sound because of this kasra and attached with wow will get sifa. This is idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. For fatha just the sound is short, and for the makhraj of always circling your lips and make sure that you are circling your lips well. Wa kha is heavy for fatha just the sound is short. Lam is light for fatha just attached with qaf will get sifaf qalqala. The qalqala sound should be very clear and crisp. Laqo, ta, sharp sound for top and jaws. Who for the circle left, matsu sila sukra, make it two counts long. Meow, for kasra give E sound, and then this idgham is heavy. So lift your tongue up nicely. Meow, heavy ikhfa. Qi, qa is heavy. The most heaviest letter in Quran is qa. So make sure you are making it long. Because of this verb, we are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this two counts long vowel into four. This is mad arid lis sukun. Qeen. Because of this verb, we are giving tawassut at the end on noon. قال ما منعك ألا تسجد إذ أمرتك قال أنا خير منه خلقتني من نار وخلقته من طين because of qaf, this alif is long and heavy because of this qaf. Qala for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Fa, give hams in fa for fatha upon jaws, attach with ha. This fa is not anymore long because you are dropping this alif. Fa, and ha will get sifa for khawa, and ha is from the last part of your throat. Fa, biq. For kasra, give E sound attached with ta. Ta will get sifa of qalqala and it is heavy. Biqa. Min. For kasra, give E sound attached with noon will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Ha, two counts long. F, give hamsin fa for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. Ma, two counts long. Yeah, keep it short. Yeah. Ku for Dhamma circle ellipse, make it two counts long and it is light. Nu for Dhamma circle ellipse, the sound is short. La short for Fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Ka for Fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. La ka, both should have one length. For fatha upon jaws, and this ikhfa is light because ta is among light letter, so this ikhfa should be light, and you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ta is sharp and short. Ta again sharp and short. Kab, kaf is light for fatha upon jaws, attached ba will get sifa of shidda. The sound will cut off abruptly. The makhraj will cut off the sound. Kab, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ra is heavy. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Fi, give hams and fa, make it two counts long. Ha, two counts long. Fakh, for fatha upon jaws attached with kha, it is not long because fa is directly attached with kha, and kha will be heavy, and it will get sifa for a khawa. Fakhruj, ra is heavy for the circle lips attached with jim. Jim will get sifa of qalqala and shidda. First you are giving shidda and then qalqala. Yes, always that. Ruj, fakhruj. In for kasra, give E sound attached. Noon will get sipa kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ka for fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Mi for kasra, give E sound. Nas for fatha upon jaws. Noon is light, but sod is heavy. Sod will get sifa for a khawa. It is heavy and it has safir. Nas, two counts long. Ghi, Ghain is heavy. With infitah for kasra give E sound. The sound is short. Reen. Because of this fact, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madarat lis sukoon. قال فاهبط منها فما يكون لك أن تتكبر فيها فما يكون لك أن تتكبر فيها فاخرج إنك من الصاغرين. Or 2 counts long. La short. Hamza is sharp, fatha open jaws, and then this ikhfa is heavy. You are keeping this sound in your nose for a longer time. With for Dha is heavy. For kasra give E sound attached with ra. Ra will be light because there is kasra before it. With قال أنظرني مد منفصل جائز, make it 4 counts long. E for kasra give E sound. La 2 counts long. Yaw wow lean, so when you're attaching fatha with yaw, you're making it soft. Yaw me for kasra give E sound, the sound is short. Yub for dhamma circle lips attach it ba will get sifa of qalqala and it is light. Yub'a, ayn from your throat nicely for fatha upon jaws. Thu for the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Thun. Because of this work, you are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned these 2 counts long vowel into 4. Now it is 4 counts long. قال أنظرني إلى يوم يبعثون قال إنك من المي short and for kasra give E sound. Nal for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Mu for dhamma circle lips. As you will touch ikhfa, your lips should be in a straight position, and this ikhfa is heavy, so you're lifting your tongue up nicely and keeping your sound in your nose. Mu dha is heavy for fatha upon jaws. Reen. Because of this work, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madarat للسكون. قال إنك من المنظرين قال فبما أغويتني Hamza sharp for top and jaws attached to the ghain. Ghain will be heavy and it will get raqawa and it have infitah صفة of انفتاح. أو way for wow circle lips for fatha upon jaws attach with ya. This is ya lean, so you are making it soft and you are attaching fatha with ya. Way ta very sharp sound for fatha upon jaws. Ni 2 counts long. La very short sound. La aqo. Hamza is very sharp for fatha upon jaws attached with qaf. Qaf will get sifa of qalqala and it is heavy. Aqo. Ain from your throat for dhamma circle lips. The sound is short. Then dal is sharp sound. The sharp sound, when I say sharp, it means there is no flow of sound. Then noon this gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. La for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Hum for dhamma circle lips attached with me will get sipa of tawassut. The tawassut is medium flow of sound. Sli, Sad is heavy for kasra give E sound. Ra is heavy because there is fatha on it and it is 2 counts long. Ta is heavy. Ta is the most heaviest letter in Quran, so make sure you lift your tongue up. You place your tongue up on your palate to make it extra heavy. Ta, kal for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sipa of tawassut. Mus for dhamma circle lips attached with sin. Sin will get sipa of raqawa. It has safir and it is light. Ta for fatha upon jaws, the sound is sharp. Qim Because of this work, we are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad arid lisakun. قال فبما أغويتني لأقعدن لهم صراطك المستقيم. For the master left attached with me will get sipa kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ma, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. La, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. 2 counts long. Hamza is sharp. And Hamza is sharp, but Alif is from your jaw. It is soft. So there should be very, very clear difference between Hamza and Alif. Hamza is from last part of your throat, and Alif is from your jaw. T for ta is very sharp. For kasra give e sound. Yan. Yeah, it's soft. For fatha upon jaws attached. Noon will get sifa of kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Yan. For fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Hum for the circle ellipse attached with meme, and this meme has ikhfa shafawi, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Hum meme. This is iqlab. You are changing the sound of noon into meme because after noon sakin there is ba, the letter ba is coming. So you are changing the sound of noon into meme here. Meme, and you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. Meme, bay. This is yailin, so you are making it soft and you are attaching fatha with ya. Bay, ni. Focus give e sound. Ay, yailin. So make sure you are giving shidda of Hamza. And after that, you are applying lean when you are attaching fatha with ya, you're making it soft. I, D, 2 counts long, and da is sharp. There is no flow of sound here. D, him. For kasra give e sound attached with me will get sip up. Tawassut and hukmuhu with half. Huwa, makhraj of power circle in your lips, fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Min for kasra give e sound attached with nun will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Khol kha is heavy for fatha upon jaws attached with lam will get sifa of tawassut. Fi for kasra give e sound and fa has hums always. Fi him for kasra give e sound attached with mim will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Huwa makhraj of waw circling your lips for fatha upon jaws. An ain from your throat nicely for fatha upon jaws attached with nun will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. A Hamza is sharp, but ya is yailin. So when you are attaching fatha with ya, you are making it soft. A ma 2 counts long. Ni for kasra give e sound. Him for kasra give e sound attached with me will get sifa. Mim will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. هو مخرج الواو circle in your lips for fatha upon jaws. Ain from your throat nicely for fatha upon jaws. And this ikhfa is light, so make sure you're keeping your tongue straight, but you are lifting your tongue for the makhraj of sheen, and you are lifting it up, but you are not touching it because you are in the state of ikhfa right now. So ikhfa needs to be high. It is hiding the sound of noon, and it is going towards the makhraj of sheen. Ah, ah, Ash for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Mad muttasil wajid, make it 4 counts long. And the long vowel should not go into your nose. Ma-i for kasra give e sound. Li for fatha for kasra give e sound. Him for kasra give e sound attached with me. We will get sip of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Wa makhraj of waw circle in your lips for fatha upon jaws. La 2 counts long. Ta very sharp sound. No flow of breath for fatha upon jaws or sound for fatha upon your jaws. The sound is short. G for kasra give e sound. No flow of sound. G ta, ji, sharp. Ta, sharp, jim. Ta, ji, do, sharp, dal. Ta, ji, do. For the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Ak, hamza is very sharp. For fatha upon jaws attached with kaf, kaf will get sifa of hums, and hums is flow of breath. Ak, th, th. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ra, ra. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. For dhamma circle ellipse attached with me will get sifa of tawasut and hukmu hithar. Sha, 2 counts long. Ki, for kasra give e sound. Reen. Because of this fact, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4 and keep raw light. شاكرين ثم لآتينهم من بين أيديهم ومن خلفهم وعن أيمانهم وعن شمائلهم ولا تجد أكثرهم شاكرين ولا تجد أكثرهم شاكرين قال اخرج منها. Lam is attached. Kha will get sifa of rakhawa and it is heavy with infitah. Uruj. Ra is heavy for the master ellipse attached to jim. You will get sifa of qalqala and there should not be any flow of sound. Uruj. The jim is majhura. Uruj. Min for kasra give e sound attached with noon will get sifa of tawassut and hukmu ithar. Ha 2 counts long. Mad for fatha open jaws at with dal gets sifa of rakhawa. It should get this zab sound. Mad oo for dhamma circle lips and hamza is sharp attached with wow. It is 2 counts long. Ooh mam. This is idgham tanween. مذءوما مد for fatha upon jaws attached with dal will get sifa of qalqala and it is light. Madhu ha from your throat, middle part of your throat. For dhamma circle your lips and make it 2 counts long. Hu ra mad mad iwad is making it 2 counts long. Madhura la for fatha upon jaws. Ma for fatha upon jaws and then there is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light, so keep your tongue straight and you are going towards the makhraj of ta and you're hiding the sound of noon and you're keeping the sound in your nose. Ta, very sharp sound for fatha upon jaws. Sharp sound means there is no flow of sound. Ta b for kasra give e sound. From your throat for fatha upon jaws. Kaf is light for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. Min for kasra give e sound attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of tawassuta. Hukmuhu idhar. Hum for dhamma circle ellipse attached with mim. You will get sifa of tawassuta and hukmuhu idhar. La very sharp sound. For hamza is sharp for fatha upon jaws attached with mim. You will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. La for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. And hamza is very sharp for fatha upon jaws attached with noon. Noon will get sifa punna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. With fatha, the sound is short. Na, the sound is short. J, jim is majhura. No flow of breath or sound. J, han, last part of your throat for fatha upon jaws attached with noon. Noon will get sifa punna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ma for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ming for kasra give e sound and then there is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light and it is light as you are going to say ink. Ming kum for dhamma circle ellipse attached with mim. You will get sifa of tawassut and hukmu idhar. Aj hamza is sharp for fatha upon jaws attached with jim. Jim will get sifa of qalqala and it is majhura. Aj ma for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ain. Because of this fact, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad arid lis sukoon. قال اخرج منها مذءوما مدحورا. لمن تبعك منهم لأملأن جهنم منكم أجمعين. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.